Hello everyone, welcome to Practical Learn. In this video, we'll be discussing about LCD screen, HDMI port, HDMI cable, VGA cable, VGA port. Okay, here I have taken an example of an ultrasound machine. As ultrasound machine is used to see the inner world of a human body. The same way, LCD is used to see the inner world of a computer. Towards your left, there is a HDMI cable. Okay, consider here there is a laptop. Okay, you can connect this LCD via this to this laptop via this HDMI cable. Okay, the same way, towards your right there is a laptop which has a VGA port, blue color. So you can connect this LCD to the VGA port using this VGA cable. I hope you have understood what is LCD, what is a HDMI port, what is a HDMI cable, when is VGA cable used, and VGA port and LCD screen. If you like this video, do subscribe and share. Thank you.